Good afternoon and welcome back to the YouTube channel, everyone. Well, I just wanted to share with you an issue that I'm encountering with the Jag. When I start it up cold, it makes a strange sound, like a tick-tocking sound. And then when the car warms up, it goes away. And then when I start it when it's warm, it doesn't do it. So I don't know what's going wrong with the car. But it's booked in at Jaguar Chiltern again for them to have a look at it because it sounds like belt jump. I don't know what belt jump is, but I think that's what it is. The belt seems to be jumping, even though I've had all the belts changed and my supercharger service. So it just needs to go back in and unfortunately have another look at. Here's what it sounds like. I just wanted to share that with you guys so you could see what it sounds like, and maybe it is belt jump, maybe somebody knows what's going on. Have a listen. Okay, so when I start the car up cold, a strange tick-tocking sound comes from the engine. Allow me to demonstrate. And it goes away. So you all heard that. I don't know what it is, but it's going back into Jaguar Chiltern for them to investigate and sort it out. I'm not too bothered about it because it's, it only happens when I haven't started the car for a couple of days. If the car's warm or it's been driven regularly, then it doesn't do it at all. Maybe because the car hasn't covered many miles in the last couple of years. Perhaps this car just needs to be driven to iron these kind of things out. Or perhaps it's something more sinister. I don't know. But I'm going to have it looked at. And if it is a pulley that needs changing, then that's what we're going to do. And I'm going to stop detailing until it's back from Jaguar Chiltern before I continue with my method 3 of dry sanding my front bumper and continuing to detail my car. So I'll keep you guys updated on how I get on and what it was and how much it cost me to put it right. Thanks a lot for watching.